Hey everybody, welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure. I'm saying they had some pretty bad weather down here.
Maybe the tornado.
We're in Mississippi. May's first time in Mississippi. Woohoo! I don't know.
It's a tornado.
I don't know because it's
Trees.
the whole length down here. Unless you look back in, I don't see it back there. I think maybe they just had really hard winds. But it's been,
I've been there in the race area.
yeah.
The tree.
Usually a tornado has a path, like you'll see when this tree's down, if you look, you'll see trees all over, just broken to pieces back there. I think maybe it was just, they must have had a storm came through with really, really high winds.
Yeah.
Just pushed all them trees down. We're gonna mosey on down here. According to GPS, we'll be down here about a quarter after 4. Unless I might go off the interstate. There's a back road that goes down there, so they can see the real Mississippi, like through the little towns and stuff. And I don't know when we'll get back to Mississippi, so we can't deliver till tomorrow. Why not just go off-road, have a little bit of fun, and enjoy ourselves a little bit, and see if we can find anything cool to show you guys. Yeah, I'd say they got a pretty good storm. They got some serious flooding.
Over there's a side twist.
Yeah, well, that's a lake there, so, but I mean, look at the fence. Look at that fence there, it's underwater.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a lake. Actually, it might just be a river. It's flooded, I don't know. Fence is definitely underwater. Oh yeah, there's a road over there that's underwater.
Where?
On the other side of the lake. I think this should be able to see down in here.
I think it's flood. Look at that.
Yeah, it's flood. We just got into Mississippi and we're already seeing stuff. It's not what we expected to see, but we're seeing it. Okay, everybody. So we got off I-55. We're running a parallel road down through US 51. Just see the back country. You don't get to see the real Mississippi from the interstate, so we're gonna run down this way. It's only like 20 minutes longer, like 10 miles longer. So why not? We got it. Just a little bit left on here, so I don't have much of a load. Getting good fuel mileage. Just chill out, relax. Can't deliver till 8 o'clock tomorrow morning to empty the trailer out. So we're gonna check it out. Starting to get into a little bit of rain, and as you can see, it's about the last thing they need here is some rain. Passed a little bit of flooding on back, but looks like they got it pretty good down here. Telephone poles are under. I'm not sure what they're used to, but there was a road back there. You saw the gate for the road, and the road was flooded. So I don't know if anybody lived back there, but I would guess they need a boat to get to their house. We passed through some swamp back a little earlier. I didn't get the camera out in time to get any of it. I thought we were going to be getting into thicker swamp. so I didn't worry about it right away. And we kind of got out of that. We have 78 miles to go. We're actually making pretty good time. We're probably, until we get there, it's going to come out about the same. I think the GPS was figuring this was all 45 and 50 mile an hour roads. Everybody's doing considerably faster than that, so I just been kind of going with the flow. I guess we'll end this one here. If there's anything cool, I'll film it and just slide it in ahead of this. But thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care.